Hey friends, I'm glad you're back here to learn how to make another pop-up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a triangle pop-up. Fold your paper in half and place the paper so that the folded edge is on your left. Fold the top corner down to make a triangle. Now unfold the triangle and open up the card like a tent. You'll see a big upside down triangle at the top of your paper. Push the triangle down on the center crease. Push it through so that it's now inside your card. From the outside, it should look like you snipped off the corner of your paper along the folded edge. Now you've created a triangle pop-up and you get to decide what you want to have pop up. Take another piece of paper that's about the size of the triangle you drew. On this paper, draw whatever it is that you want to have pop up. A person, an animal, or an object. It's really up to you and the theme of the card or the artwork that you're making. Color it in and cut it out. Now you're going to fold this picture in half vertically. I'm folding it in both directions to have a really good crease. Can you envision how it's going to pop up on my triangle fold? Put some glue on the bottom area of the back of your figure. Now place the figure on the triangle so that the folds match and the top of the figure is above your card. You don't want it to be below the triangle fold. All right, now it's time for the finishing touches and the element of surprise. Take a second piece of paper, the same size of the first, and fold it in half. Put some dots of glue along the outside of your triangle pop-up and line up the creases of the two cards. Now you can decorate the front and the inside of your card. Good luck and thanks for making art with me.